Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a method by which we can renew our Wix website premium plan and also how to upgrade your domain. So I have an unlimited plan of Wix which is expired yesterday. Today is 30th of July and it expired on 29th. So I will just renew my plan. So there are two things that I would have to do here. One is renew the plan that is set to my domain and also renew my domain. So this is actually renewing my subscription for the premium plan. So the payment is due. So if I go for a renew, so it would ask me my card number. So I would go by the debit card plan. And before that, I would want to know if my domain has expired or not. So let me make sure. So to make sure if my domain has expired or not, I just logged into my domains.google.com and checked to see. So I think this auto renewal is on and it got renewed on the 8th of July. So the next expiry would be the next year, 9th of July. So let us go and renew the premium plan, which in my case is renewal of my plan of Wix website. So when I mean renewal of the plan, it is this premium plan that is associated with my domain name. So I've got two sites. This had been renewed last time, so I wanted to renew this one. So as of now, my domain is fixed and it got auto renewed, and the plan needs a renewal because it is not set to auto. And let me go back to the payment page. As you can see here, there's a payment due here. Okay, so let me go and manage. If I have to go and renew, I'm going for the debit card. So let me just pause so that I don't have to share the details. So as you can see, I have completed the payment process and the renew option has been removed and it is showing invoices. So once you update your plan, the invoice gets generated. And if I go back to the site, or if I go back to your renew your plan again, so I would just be seeing my invoice and the billing history. So once this gets updated, you know when it is expiring. The expiry is next year, same time. So this is how you update your premium plan or any plan for that matter on Wix, and also the process of how you can renew your Google domain, going to your domains.google.com and going for the renew option. So if the domain is not renewed, so along with this payment you'll get a renew button over here, and the process of payment is the same as I showed you for the Wix website premium plan update. So if this video is of any help or any value to you, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment for more such videos. Thank you for watching.